So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can have the MotoGP or a video game angle using Insta360. So first of all, extend your stick to the highest and lock the stick properly wherever the joints are there. Now make sure that your clamp is properly tightened up. If not, then do check them and do tighten them properly, because it is one of the most important factor of making these kind of videos. Now take your camera and fix it on the top of the Insta360 stick where the screw is there, and rotate it till you feel the camera is properly tight. Keep rotating the camera until and unless you feel the proper tightness and a complete lock of the camera with the stick. Now this is for the additional safety. You can put up a string or you can put up something to fix your stick near your number plate, and again check your mount, check your clamp so that everything is perfectly tightened up and your camera stays on the top when you're riding the bike on a high speed. Now once your camera is fixed, make sure to check the camera is working. The red light should be blinking on top of it, and once again check whether it is completely tight or not, and we are ready to rock and roll. So this is how the footage is going to come out post editing. Now make sure when you're doing the editing of these kind of footage, do keep the directional lock on. That will help your bike or your subject to be in the center, and rest you can zoom in or zoom out as per your preferences. So this is the common setup which every motovlogger who is doing the MotoGP angle or a third person angle or a drone angle use. Any questions, any suggestions, do let me know. For now, enjoy the sound of Ninja 650 twin cylinder on the SC Project exhaust. Cheers!